Are you fighting with addiction? The reality is, most men are trapped in destructive habits, whether it's endless gaming, constant fapping, or even drug use. They simply can't stop. Yet the biggest problem isn't the habit itself, it's the denial. Instead of admitting they're addicted, they come up with excuses like, "Fapping is healthy, bro." If you don't do it, you'll get testicular cancer. Or, "Video games are actually good, they improve focus and teamwork." Pathetic. The first step to quitting any addiction is admitting you're addicted. If you refuse to face the truth, you'll never escape. Denial only chains you tighter to the habit. Stop lying to yourself. Be brutally honest. Say it out loud. Yes, I'm addicted. That acknowledgement is where the process begins. Now, here's what most people get wrong. They think quitting is all about willpower, but willpower alone will not save you. Relying only on willpower is like trying to hold your breath underwater forever. Eventually, you'll break. The secret to breaking free isn't in fighting harder, but in understanding the mechanics of addiction. Addiction works by hijacking your brain's reward system. Every time you give in, whether it's scrolling endlessly, smoking, or gaming, your brain releases dopamine, a quick hit of pleasure. Over time, your brain craves more and more, until it's no longer a choice. It becomes a cycle. The more you feed it, the stronger it gets. So, how do you break the cycle? You don't fight it head-on. Instead, you replace it. You rewire your brain. The same dopamine system that chains you down can actually set you free if you redirect it toward positive habits. Instead of letting the addiction own you, you must train your brain to crave things that build you up. For example, every time you feel the urge, instead of giving in, replace it with something beneficial. Go for a run, do push-ups, read, work on a skill. At first, it won't feel the same, but over time, your brain begins to adapt. Slowly, it starts rewarding you for the new habit instead of the old destructive one. Another key, environment. If you keep surrounding yourself with triggers, you will fail. If junk food is in the fridge, you'll eat it. If games are installed, you'll play them. If drugs are in your drawer, you'll use them. Remove the triggers. Destroy them. Build an environment where temptation doesn't have easy access. And here's something most people never talk about: accountability. If you try to quit alone, chances are you'll relapse. But when someone else knows about your struggle, a friend, a mentor, a brother, suddenly you're not just fighting for yourself. You're fighting to not let them down. Accountability creates pressure, and that pressure builds discipline. Finally, remember this: addiction thrives in weakness, but it dies in strength. The stronger you make yourself physically, mentally, spiritually, the weaker your addictions become. Build your body, train your mind, strengthen your spirit. Every rep in the gym, every page you read, every skill you master makes the chains of addiction weaker. Quitting is not easy. It's a war. But it's a war you can win if you admit the truth, replace the habit, change your environment, and hold yourself accountable. Do this long enough, and one day you'll look back and realize the thing that once controlled you is now gone, and you are finally free. By the way, if you want to level up in life, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. Until next time.